Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your girl here with BB's Crafts. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Today I have a project share, and this is for a swap that was hosted by Tiffany McGill over on the Facebook page Crafty Manipulators. It is the mini advent calendar swap along with a card set. So for the little mini advent calendar, we had to follow the given tutorial that she had created and then also create a card kit. So we had to have the finished product and then all the pieces to make that product, as well as to be able to make 4 cards total. So this is the collection that I use. This is Celebrate Christmas by Lori Whitlock, and it's Echo Park, and this was a 2018 collection, and so super cute. Okay, so first off, I'll go ahead and show you the advent. So here is my little mini advent calendar. So cute, so pretty. I kept it kind of basic and plain. Didn't want to try to overdo it because technically it was something that when it's untied and everything, it's technically something to have open and displayed. That's what Tiffany had told me. So I didn't want to do too much on the back part, so then that way she could do it that way if she wanted to. So I just did some simple embellishing. I used the Merry Christmas from the collection and put that on top there, and then I just added some holly berries and some flowers, some poinsettias, and then this is the cocoa and Reno dye flowers. Added some pink gem centers, and then I did add a tying element using red and white ribbon. So then when you untie it, this is the inside of it, and I added some little pearls to pick up the boxes. And for video purposes, I didn't add the stuff on the inside. You're just going to have to go to my partner's page to watch what I had put inside. And my partner happens to be Natasha, who is Polite Creations here on YouTube. And so some of them, like, you know, I wouldn't be too trustworthy in pulling it by the pearl. So hopefully she still will pull it by the box itself. Because some of them are a little tight on there, some of them are loose. I don't know what happened, but I just did light embellishing here. I fussy cut out the little Santa, put Happy Holidays, and then the wreath here, and then here's some holly berries in the center there, and this is all stuff from the collection. So that is the little mini advent, and then here is how my card kit will be coming. This acetate box I had made. It was acetate that I had got out of like one of those mystery type boxes from not Stampin' Up, but what's the other one? I can't remember offhand, but I had made the box to fit my card kit accordingly. So inside my card kit, so it just opens at the top like that, and inside the card kit I have the sequin mix in here for it. I added some of the foam tape. Then we have ribbons and die cuts. Here are the bases, like the top and then like the inside matting bases. And then here are some envelopes as well that are from the collection, so she can go ahead and mix them up however she wants. So that is what the contents include. And then those contents are to make this card here. So here is the card, and I just realized I am short in envelope, so I have to make one more envelope because your example has to be done with the envelope. So I just realized that. So good thing, huh? But here is what I made. It is a shaker, so you have the sequin mix. It is popped up on dimension. It says Season's Greetings for my sentiment. This is a Sizzix die, and then what I did was I used a circle die and cut out the circles, added the acetate, which is a small polka dot acetate, and then added the red ribbon going down so they're like ornaments, and then with the bows on top. And then the inside is matted well, so you have the ability to write your own message. I didn't want to stamp it unless she wanted to stamp it herself. And then that is that. So I hope she does like what I created. I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!